Hey guys, how's it going? How to optimize Kraken for mobile trading. So to optimize Kraken for mobile trading, what you gotta do first, you need to go back to your screen, right? And go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and download the Kraken Pro app. Download Kraken Pro for advanced trading tools in a smoother experience. Secondly, enable biometric login. If you are using the Kraken Pro, go ahead and open up your account at the bottom right. Go to the security and make sure that you enable the passkey or fingerprint or facial recognition for quick and secure access. Next, you need to set alerts. That applies to both Kraken Pro and Kraken Wallet. Go ahead and click your account again to go back to the settings, and then go ahead to notifications and make sure that you set price alerts to stay updated on market movements. All right, and customize interface. Adjust charts right here. If you click the arrow thing at the bottom right, you can adjust charts to your chart settings and favorite for quick access to preferred pairs. In my case, I prefer Bitcoin USD, right? If you prefer otherwise, you can just go ahead and click the title of the Bitcoin and then select your favorite crypto, and then you're gonna be able to see the chart from here, so it can help you with the analysis. That applies for trading candle, right? If you want to be line, so you can analyze, and you can see right here the tools, right, in the visual the eye icon right here to show his historical orders, right? You can see right here the order book, the depth, and the market trades for your favorite pairs. And if you want to basically, let's go back to the home page, and if you want to customize your own favorite favorite pairs, just go ahead right here, and as you can see right here, I already set Bitcoin perp and Bitcoin USD, and you have the Ethereum. This is my favorite cryptos. So if you have other cryptos, you could just type right, let's say Solana, right? I'm gonna just go ahead and add the star next to the price, cancel, right? And I'm gonna see Solana appearing right here, and I can click to my favorite. I can click click the favorite crypto, so I can basically analyze and start my trading process. Make sure that you have internet connection. Nextly, right? Ensure a reliable network for uninterrupted trading. Make sure that you use a powerful Wi-Fi or powerful cellular data. Enable the dark mode. Go ahead to the account at the bottom right, and then go ahead to the settings, and make sure right here to see theme, click theme, and make sure that you enable the dark mode. All right, so enable dark mode for better visibility and reduced eye strain, right? That applies to Kraken wallet. If you want to know how to do it in Kraken wallet, go ahead and open up the Kraken wallet, click account at the bottom right, and then scroll a little bit down. You're gonna find the theme, click theme, and then hit the dark mode for better visibility, right? And make sure that you keep the app updated for the latest features and security. Go ahead to the App Store, Google Play, make sure that there isn't any new update, and efficient use of these features ensures a seamless trading experience. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.